Hey everybody, good morning, Robb. And someone sent me a case and a bag of gummy bears. Albanese. I have never eaten these before. I don't do gummy bears, but even if I don't like them, they might make catfish bait because catfish eat anything. But you know, you can't go wrong with oysters. And I thought to myself, I think it must be salty. Oh, Oscar, I think Salty Shellback probably sent these because he is definitely into something like this. And who doesn't love smoked oysters? So I thought we'd just make something this morning with the smoked oysters. I've never made this before, so we're going to learn as we go along. I'm making a kind of a Waldorf salad with smoked oysters. I took the celery and I used a little gadget to slice them super thin, and I've got some walnuts. And I took an apple and I left the skin on. Usually when I make the Waldorf salad, I take the skin off. I also put a few tablespoons of Italian dressing because the acid in the vinegar will keep this from getting brown. And you've got to add some salad olives. Otherwise, you're watching an imposter. Going to be adding a little bit of cheddar cheese, but let's get to the oysters. I've never had these before. We're going to learn together. These are smoked oysters, all natural premium select oysters. Polar's a pretty good company, naturally wood smoked. I'm not sure what other smoke they would use. uh, let's reveal the oysters. These oysters, I think they're using a cottonseed oil. Years ago, that's what they made the margarine with, was cottonseed oil. Okay, let me smell them. They smell smoked, and they're nice and big. They're not little pieces. Let's drain it. Now, before we get ahead of ourselves, let's add a little bit of Duke's. You can use whatever mayonnaise you like. They're all good. Hellmann's, Duke's, even the generic house brand. Now, real Waldorf salad has some other ingredients, but this is sort of a hybrid. Now, I like those pieces of celery sliced really thin. It gives it a whole different texture than you're used to. Big chunks. Put in a little bit of cheddar cheese, shredded. I should mention those fruit gummy bear things. They're made in the USA and they're all pretty much natural ingredients. It looks like a very good product. I want to thank whoever sent it again. I think it was Salty Shellback, Mr. Oscar. And the pasta, they're a little yellow because when I boil them in a little bit of water that has turmeric. It doesn't give it flavor, but it gives it a more vibrant color. Oop. This is when I miss having my dog. That piece I dropped on the floor would have been gone in half a second. This is not going to work. I need a bigger bowl. You know what? This is our pan that we boiled everything in. Mr. Plastic, Fantastic. Oh yeah. Now, you can't go wrong with little fresh chopped parsley. I don't have any fresh parsley. And a little bit of lemon pepper. Just a squeeze of Italian dressing to give it a little kick. Now it's coming along. Now, I should taste one of these before we pop it in there. Let's see, just in case. What does it taste like? It has a good texture, and it's a little bit mild, more mild than I thought, but you can also taste the smoke. All right, guys, there is a smoked oyster Waldorf salad. Let's plate it up. Nice color, very nice color. Once again, whoever sent me the nice gift of oysters and the gummy bears, much appreciated. Pasta is al dente, not too soft, not too firm. The parsley flakes give it a nice color. Walnuts are good. And the oysters and apples. Oh yeah. I would serve this anybody. So guys, hope you enjoyed the Waldorf oyster smoked Waldorf salad. And once again, whoever sent me a nice package, much appreciated. Hope you all are half as lucky as I am. And don't forget, the most important thing in life is to choose to be in a good mood. I read that somewhere. All right, guys, take care. See you out there.